Hi friends, I'm Stephanie Dang and I'll be playing with the color kit today for some mixed media fun. First off, I'm just framing my photo and adding layers without gluing them on. I just want to get an idea on where I want things placed before using the color kit. To save video time, I've already prepped my page with gesso and now I'm starting to play around with the color kit. I'm dipping my brush with water and diluting the stamping inks one color at a time. I'm misting my paper with water to make it a little bit easier to move the colors around. I'm using a heat tool to make process of drying a little bit faster. Now I'm using a dryer cloth to get all the static out before using the embossing ink and powder. I'm placing my stamp without ink to see where I want it before embossing. I added the embossing ink so that I can apply the embossing powder to it. You gotta use the heat tool to set the embossing powder. I'm just repeating the whole process again at the bottom of my page. I'm going to start layering up my photo by using the papers from the main kit and also papers from the cardstock kit. Here goes the fun part of just playing and adding embellishments. I decided to add a border for some more pop of color and am trimming about 1/4 inch off each edge. My layout is now complete. I hope I gave you some ideas and inspiration for your next page. Thank you so very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.